So, hi,
Yeah,
how are
yeah.
you? Yes, I can hear
I
you.
am doing good. I am doing good. What about you? Hi, Kanishka. This is very first
Um,
time to talk with you.
okay, so I'll just quickly introduce myself. Hi, my name is Kanishka. You already know. I am a student. I'm currently studying in the third year of my undergraduation, and I love teaching and meeting new people. That is why I'm here.
Wow, you are
Could
very
you please
young.
introduce yourself? Tell me.
Yeah.
Yes, could you please introduce yourself? Tell me something about yourself, and then tell me the reason why you're on
Yeah, sure,
Clappingo.
sure. Yeah, sure. So, yeah, as you know, my name is Karuna, and I am from Jamshedpur. And yeah, so I, as profession, I am a teacher, as I have completed my post graduation and B.Ed as well. So as profession, I am a teacher. I have associated with one CBSE affiliated school. And yeah, I am here on Clappingo. Just I want to take up my skill to the next level. And uh, and 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 yeah, I want to improve my communication skill. And I want to explore this language. And I want to learn lots of new things like phrasal verbs, idioms. And yeah, I want to I am very confident about simple sentences, but I want to improve my communication skills. So that's why I am here on Clappingo.
Okay, that's nice. So, other
Yeah.
than teaching and other than everything else, what do you do for fun?
Okay, so my hobbies are painting, singing. I am fond of listening to music and singing as well, and yeah, traveling, shopping, and sometimes cooking. Not every time, but sometimes cooking. Yeah, and
Okay,
nowadays I have indulged myself in language. Yeah, so I whenever I get time, so I watch videos on YouTube.
okay, wow, that's nice. So you seem very productive. If someone would ask me what my hobbies, I would probably say eating or just sitting and chilling. But you have very productive hobbies, so that is really nice. So that's nice. So
Yeah.
did you have a chance to read the session document that was provided to you?
So yeah, I want to say like this session document. I gone through with this session document, but I don't have idea about this financial terms and conditions. So I missed my previous session document. So can we speak about that?
Okay,
That
yeah,
was about
definitely.
bucket list. That was about bucket list. So it is quite
Okay.
interesting. Yeah.
Okay, so the session document that has been provided to me is about childhood. So bucket list in childhood, what would you want
Childhood.
to talk about?
Oh, childhood is also interesting, but whatever I have got, so that was about savings or investment, about something that.
Okay, okay. Maybe it must be a technical glitch or something. Never mind. Let's talk about bucket list. So when I say
Okay.
bucket list, what is the first thing that comes in your mind?
Yeah, so bucket list means like some craziest thing that everyone does in their life, and everyone plans something like some kind of craziest things in their whole life. Okay,
Okay.
so I have also first like my very first bucket list. I can say bucket list. Yeah. So driving. I want to learn uh, drive. Okay, driving car. Okay,
I want
and
to learn how to drive a car.
I want to learn how to drive a car. Yeah, and next is
Okay.
paragliding and parasailing, and what else? And uh, skydiving. Yeah,
Skydiving.
skydiving. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's nice. So
Yeah.
paragliding is
And
something.
even though I have acrophobia, but I want to take risk.
Okay, okay, okay. So paragliding is something you can do in Mahabaleshwar in India. Yes, I remember
Yeah.
paragliding there.
Mhm. So paragliding and parasailing. What is the difference between paragliding and parasailing?
So paragliding is when you are in the air with the help of the
Yeah.
winds,
Okay. Okay.
and
Got it. Parasailing means on the sea, like
yes, So
s-
basically, there's a rope that is attached to a yacht or a small
mm,
speed boat, and they go
yeah,
ahead, and then because of the wind, you have a parachute attached to you behind, and because of the wind, then you're flying up in the air. So it basically plays with the speed of the boat. So the higher the speed of the boat, the more the wind comes, and the faster, I mean, the higher you're up. So it's like that. That's parasailing, and paragliding
parasailing.
is only
Okay.
because of the wind.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
and
So what is
skydiving.
yours?
Mine,
Yeah.
my bucket list was to go for a solo trip before I turned 20. So before I end my teenage years, I wanted to go for a solo trip. So
Oh,
yes,
great.
that was my bucket list, and it did come true. I went to Meghalaya for my 20th birthday. I celebrated my 20th birthday
So
in Meghalaya with
you
strangers.
went alone?
Yes, I went alone. So I joined a tour basically, but when I
Okay.
joined the tour, I did not know anyone in it.
Oh,
Yes,
so how
so I
was
was.
that? Did you enjoy that trip?
Yes. Yes, I did enjoy a lot. I met so many new people, and
Yeah.
everyone was so much more older than me. So everyone was a working professional. So getting to know about their life, the way they, go
Their
about it every
lifestyle.
day. Yes, it was very exciting and it was very nice. And I realized that most of them were investment bankers. So if you want to earn money, you need to be an investment
Okay.
banker. That's the only way you're going to earn money. This is something that I have learned on that trip. And other than that, it was a very fun
Okay.
experience. So you mentioned that you like traveling. Where all have
Yeah.
you traveled to?
Yeah. So I have traveled as far I have traveled Odisha, okay, Odisha, West Bengal, and in Jharkhand itself.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Did you have a chance to go to Ranchi, if I'm pronouncing it
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah. Yeah. I have Ranchi. Yeah.
Yes,
That is
yes.
Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Yeah. So yeah,
Mm,
I have been there, and yeah, I have been there several times. It is very
okay,
near from my place. Like uh, I guess it takes only 3 to 4 hours
three
by
to four.
bus.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
and Odisha. So, where did you go in Odisha?
Yeah. So in Odisha, I think you have heard about sea beach.
Yes.
I visited sea beach, and I visited Jagannath Puri temple.
Okay.
It is one of the very oldest temple and a very renowned one. I think you have heard, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
I have heard of this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So I have visited there, and Bhubaneswar also. In Bhubaneswar, some temples are Lingaraj temple and Nandan Kanan Jew is there. So I visited all those places.
Okay. So it was a religious trip to Odisha.
Yeah, you can say. Yeah,
Okay,
religious
okay,
trip.
okay. That's nice. So how was everything? Was it a planned trip or was it an unplanned trip? Can you tell me something about that trip?
Yeah, it was planned trip. It was planned trip because I visited with my family, and we had fun. And I visited all. I cover all those places, like whatever they have uh, in their guidebook. In their guidebook, yeah. So
Okay,
I visited all those places with with my family. Yeah.
okay. That's nice. And where all did you visit in Jharkhand? Was it also a family trip?
In no, I visited with my friends and with my colleagues, and some trips I have done with my family members.
Okay. Oh, so since you're a teacher, do you have a chance to go on school trips with students?
With students, no, with
Yeah.
students, I haven't gone there. But with colleagues, we have visited some picnic spots, and we had fun. And after that, just due to this pandemic, like from past 2 years, we are not going anywhere.
Yes, definitely. So you guys don't have school trips in school, like kids, like where the school organizes a school trip for the children in the school?
For children, no.
Okay.
I
So
didn't get any kind of opportunity till
So
date.
basically, I'll tell you how it happens with us. Every year, before our exams get over or during Diwali, after our exams, our school takes us for a school trip. So anywhere
That is
in India,
excursion. That is a kind of excursion.
uh, I don't know what the term is. It's just that they take us somewhere out.
Okay.
And we
So
go there for like a week
for
or
how
4 5
many days? Oh, wow. Yeah, that is a kind of excursion. Yeah, that is
Okay,
a
okay.
kind of.
So does that happen in your school?
No, but I am teaching in primary sections, so I
Oh,
didn't get any kind of opportunity. But I think some senior teachers, they usually plan this kind of thing. Yeah, but
okay, okay,
I
okay,
didn't get any kind of opportunity till
okay.
date. Yeah.
So how is it teaching the primary section? Kids around you all the time. Is it a good thing, or does it get irritating after a point?
No, it is not irritating. It is very funny. It is very living, you can say. Like, it is very healthy because these children are very innocent, very like kind-hearted, very pure-hearted, you can say. And they respect you, they obey you, and they follow whatever your guidance and all these things. So it is very entertaining. Sometimes it becomes annoying, but not every time.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And are you like a all subject teacher, or are there specific subjects that you teach?
In primary section, we don't have any subject combination. Like, whatever is there in my schedule, I have to teach. But my most favorite subjects are maths. Okay, maths, EVS, computer, general knowledge, value education. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So is it so the students have one teacher for all subjects?
In my class, as I am a class teacher, so I teach all the subjects. And I, even though, like, I take different subjects in different classes.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. So that is a lot. Oh my God, how do you manage so much together? What are your working hours like?
But
Is it the normal?
nowadays we are conducting online classes, so it is not that much hectic. But yeah, sometimes it become hectic because in online teaching learning process is totally different. So yeah.
Okay. So which one would you prefer? Would it be the offline schooling or the online schooling?
No, offline school is very productive. Offline school is like, we all enjoy offline teaching. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
And what is your opinion about this?
I feel that online is better because I can copy in my exams
Oh
and
my god.
I don't need to study for me online. But yeah, offline definitely. It's a lot more fun because you meet your friends every day.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's a lot more fun, yes. Sadly, we do not have much time, and this is quickly going to come to an end. So I would just like
Okay.
to summarize this session. You are very confident, you're very lively, and it was lovely speaking to you. I do not see any
Same to
issues with
you.
your English. A little bit of mispronunciation, for example, usually. So it's usually, not usually. Okay, but
Usually.
that's yeah. You were talking and
Usually.
yes, usually.
Usually. I
Yes.
have that the
Yeah.
issue. Is the
Yes.
issue.